Niggas fuck around and bleeding, that's why I remain with my old niggas. I don't need it. Emilio told me niggas wasn't homies now. So leave up Chili folks, unfold. I was the motherfucking program. Clean my act up, polish my sweat and act up, step my raps up. Not if I had to, I'm just a natural. Lyrically, I'm what they put in lyrics and capsules. Yeah, it's crack, man, I'm motherfucking emperor. And you know who the general. I think being criminal, that's dude. You wanna be a fake, roll around and do I started off bumping you to everybody. Fuck this world coming to make me one dunk. Ooh, I'm a whip off a clip, take 100 blue. Ooh, slip my wrist, go to clip, put one in the groove. Ooh, put one in my dude, they can let from the groove. Ooh, that's my man, now on the grip, speaking up. Used to be a maximum of black terror. Used to couldn't keep it up, now I can't keep this up. Got the bitch keeping up, I better flush it down the trunk. PD, I heard that you got some homies. Got one of them for your mother and another for your brother. And one more to take a hold to the mall. I'm putting no RT